Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you how you could fix a hard disk which is not showing on plugged to your computer. Here I have an extra hard disk which is not showing in my PC shortcut. To solve this problem, go to your search bar and type disk management or disk mgmt, and here you will see create and format hard disk partition. You want to click on it to open. This little window will appear. Make sure to locate the correct hard disk. So here the disk C is functioning and Kingston disk is also functioning, and they're both in blue. And here I have an extra disk which is not showing here. It shows 372 giga. To fix that problem, right click, new simple volume, next, leave these default settings as they are, next, leave the letter as you, or you can change it as you wish, and click next. Here as a step you have two options. You can either format the volume, this will delete any data which exists in it, or you can just select do not format this volume. So you can choose which one suits you. For me, I will just choose the second one and I will name it backup. Here I will click on next, finish, and the disk is being prepared. You will see it appearing on the left automatically. And here I have my hard disk named backup with the letter D. And here it's functioning. So you had two options, either choose to format or not based on what you need. I will open the hard disk and it's fully accessible. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.